all of them will come automatic when you are in the system. So they just come automatic when you are in the system. So with 1 ampere, you say 1 ampere, 3 ampere or 7 amperes. So when you purchase 1 ampere, 3 ampere, 7 amperes, how are you gonna make money here? So let us be very keen here. So we have what you call ampere. Simply, ampere, we have 1, we have 3, we have 7 or more, or stock shares. So that is how it's gonna look like. Yes, so this 1 ampere, when you share 1 ampere, let me demonstrate how this 1 ampere gonna give you money. Yes, so 1 ampere, can you go down and a volunteer? A volunteer? Nitumie jina la. I now purchase 1 ampere. When Brian purchase 1 ampere, and now before you do anything here, the company gonna give you one package of products. But 1 ampere, because it's a share. Are we together? Sini shares inakujaga na pesa. Yes. So 1 ampere will go with 26,888. So when you get 1 ampere, we're gonna give you this one package of these products. Are we together? So this package, you're gonna carry all these products I was talking about. Yes. Then this ampere, this ampere, all this package, I normally tell people go and use them. Go and do what? Go and use them. Be a product of products. Hey, go and use them. But if you are insisted so much, you want to sell it, you can sell it as a maximum of 41,000 Kenya shillings. If you want to sell it, you can sell it a maximum of 41,000 Kenya shillings. Have you recovered your investment or not? Have you recovered your investment or not? You have ready to recover your investment, at the same time you have what? You have a profit. Simple. The same day. So, but you come with 2688. So now, because the system is binary. That means the company said that, Brian, what you gonna do is only share this business with only 2 customers. Because it's a business of sharing. Go and share this business with only how many people? 2 customers. So this is how Brian gonna share this business with the 2 customers. This is Brian. So Brian is there. So let him share this business with 2 customers. So Brian gonna use who? Whom shall I use again? To Fred. So how does Brian gonna benefit here? Brian gonna benefit here when he introduce me or introduce me in this business. Brian the company gonna compensate Brian 1,800 Kenya shillings the same time. There. Are we together? Yes. Again, Brian, let me tell Brian also what? Introduce who? Mr. B. Are we together? So here again, the company also compensates Brian with 1,800 Kenya shillings. Are we together? But remember, the system is binary. So the system is binary. What that means, there is a left force or a right force. So when the system detected that there's a left and a right, now again, when the Brian introduced Fred in the business, the company also compensates Brian 1,400 points and another 1,400 points. Are you together? Yes, I was talking about electronics. So these points, Brian will use these points also to purchase what? Electronics from the company. Are we together? Without using his what? His money. So it depends what type of electronics Brian is looking for. Yes. Now Brian has now introduced Fred and who? And Mr. B. So now because you have 1,000 points, 1,400 points and 1,000, another 1,400, these points are doing what? They are matching. When they match here, the company compensates you 4,800 Kenya shillings. Yes, in the first day, okay, remember, this will not be the full effort of Brian. So, this will be what? The effort of someone who connected who? Brian here. So, because Brian does not have skills, does not have knowledge how this business is being done. Okay. So the Brian will be helped by who? By someone or the lady or the man who connected him here. Okay. But who's earning? Who is earning? Brian. So in the first day, Brian make how much? 8,400 Kenya shillings. So it would be 1,800 shillings plus 1,800 plus 4,800 shillings. Now Brian, the work of Brian now is ended here. So. But the way Fred came, the way Brian came in is the way Fred came in. So. Because all of them are investors. So now the Brian is CEO. CEO. That is why we are calling Beyond Survival Better Your Life. Now the Brian here will be his own boss. Are we together? Brian here is his own boss. But the way now Brian and Fred and Billy came in is the way Brian and who? Brian came in. Are we together? Yes. Also they came with the same amount. Yes. Now because also again the way Brian came in, now also I'm gonna look for my own. Are we together? If Mr. B also gonna look for their own, so let us say this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. So now also me also gonna be compensated the way Brian has been compensated. Are we together? So now is 8,400 for Mr. B, 8,400 for who? For Mr. Fred. What about Brian? So what about Brian? Now B and C they match. Because there's a left force and a right force. Now Brian get 8,400. Then A and D match, you have 4,800. So in the second day, how much Brian made? 9,600. Are we together? Does Brian know A, B, C, D? He knows them? No, he does not know them. Are we together? But now he's doing what? He's earning. Are we together? So this in this business we call leverage. Are we together? This is now the leverage whereby you are earning money and your effort is not there. Yes, or we call duplication. So the system duplicate itself. So Mr. D or Miss D also bring their own to customers. C also, B also, E also, A also. So if they bring their own customers, the same criteria Brian has been used also gonna use to these people. But Brian, does effort of Brian is here? No. Yes, but when there's a left and right, there's 4,800 for who? For Brian. So this is 4,800 times 4. Are we together? The third day you have 19,200 Kenya shillings. So this business, this network will grow until infinity. Tell your neighbor until infinity. It will grow until infinity. Are we together? So this is first account or someone come with 1 ampere. So when you come with 1 ampere, this is how you're gonna earn. So this network will grow whether Brian like it or no, because he does not have any control in this. But remember, it's the what? It's the CEO. It's the CEO. So at this stage now, after getting this connector helping to get Mr. Fred and B, he was trying to enjoy what you call leverage. So you're gonna enjoy this leverage until it's dead. Until it's what? It's dead. So that means it demonstrates for someone who come with 3 amperes or 3 accounts. 3 amperes or 3 accounts. So it is Brian 1, Brian 2, Brian what? 3. So Brian 1, Brian 2, Brian 3. That is means he duplicates himself 3 times in the business. Are we together? In the system. So now the difference between the first one and the second one is now Brian was 1 here. Are we together? Now it is now Brian 3, Brian 1, Brian 2, Brian 3. So here because Brian 1 introduced Brian 3, you have been get 1,800 shillings. Now again here Brian 1 introduced Brian 3, now 1,800, right together. So 2 and B, they match 4,800 Kenya shillings. Does there's any customer brand has introduced to this business? The answer is no. But also the system already pay him 8,400 Kenya shillings. So. Then again, remember these packages. Now with 3, you're gonna get 3 packages of these products. So. But I told you that when you sell these products, you sell them at 41,000 Kenya shillings. Are you together? Times 3. Tuko sawa? Times what? Times 3. So now you have 123,000 Kenya shillings plus this. Now you have at the first day you have how much? 131,000 400 Kenya shillings a day. And remember, you came in with 80,664 with 3 amperes. Ni mzuri au sio mzuri? Mzuri ama sio mzuri? Mzuri. Yes. So now, how many customers? I am the person who introduced you, Brian. How many people are gonna help them to start the business now? How many people? How many customers? So because brand B bring their own, brand C, brand 3 bring their own. So you see the difference here between the first one and the second one. When there's any match sales here, 4,800 times 1, 2, 3. Because you have three shares or you have 3 amperes. Are we together? So that is mean 4,800 Kenya shillings times what? That's 3. That is how much? 14,400 Kenya shillings in the first day. Remember the first day you went home with 131,000 Kenya shillings. Are we together? So now it's starting now bringing. I'm helping to get what? To get these 4 customers. Are we together? So in 3 accounts, only the people that you know in this system is only 4 people. Only how many people? 4 customers. The one also you gonna contact with. Wanaenda kujuana uso kwa uso. The rest 400 Kenya shillings in a day. And the maximum you can make is this one times 10 times 2. So that must mean if this much sales, you can make them 10 in the day and 10 in the night. All together. Within 24 hours, just the company allow you only to make how many pairs? 20 pairs a day. And the people will ask, how do people make a profit? You are making a profit whereby when you make the 21st, when in the day you make the 11th pair, this one will flash back to the company. So yes. So there's so many people make those. You can find someone make 25 pairs in a day. So only 10 will be paid. The rest 15 is being flashed back to the company. So yes. So let me continue. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So now remember, this is your first day in the business. Are you together? You see, the first day, and you come with 7 amperes or 7 error. And remember, when you are going home with 7 packages of this product. Yes. So when you're going home with this 7 package of products, and how much money you're going to be paid here? 1,800 shillings, 1,800 shillings, 1,800 shillings, 1,800 shillings, 1,800 shillings. Then 2 and 3 match 4,800, 4 and 5 match 4,800, 7 and 6 and 7 match 4,800 shillings. Then 5 and 6 match 4,800 shillings. Then 4 and 7 match 8,800 shillings. Can somebody calculate for me that? 800 shillings times 6. How much is that? 10,800. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4,800 times 5. Ningapi? 34,800. So. And remember, you have how many? 7 packages of products. So this 7 times 41,000 Kenya shillings. How much is that? How much is that? How much is that? 27. Come in with 188, 216. Ni faida ama sio faida? Faida ama sio faida? Uniambie biashara gani ambayo is legit and it's legal, ambayo mtu utafanya biashara the same day and you are going home with that amount. Ni gani? Kama sio mchele na bangi. Sino kweli? Yes. So this business gonna change your life for good. Sawa sawa? Tuko sawa? Are we together? Yes. Yes. The reason why we are doing this business. The reason why we are doing this business. One, it's a one purchase time. Because it's a lifetime business. Sawa sawa? So when you come with 1 ampere, what nobody will come and tell you. Now you do what? Go and do what? And renew your membership. Kuna kitu kama hiyo. Sawa sawa. Second, there's no target. Are we together? The third, there's no sales. Sales is not a must. Sawa sawa. It is optional. If you want to sell, that is well and good. That's the advantage to you. Are we together? Fourth, this product is consumable to anyone, and they don't have any side effects. So, because they are totally natural. Are we together? So, the third, the fifth is we have trips. So, normally, company take us out. So, there's a lot of vacations. So, yes. Fifth, you can transfer this business to your children. So, you can, what are our visions? Vision of 2021. Sino kweli? Kuna wengine waliandika resolution. Sasa waliandika resolution from January up to date. January imeenda, February imeenda, March imeenda. So utapata resolution ya January na February zote zimeanguka. Sino kweli? Zinaanza kuanguka. Sawa. One vision of this company is 100 plus car achievers. 100 plus car achievers. 2, 300 plus landlord or landowners. Tuko sawa? 2, 3, feeding 5,000 members or children's home. Feeding how much? 5,000 children's home. Tuko sawa? Because we have to give back to the society. Tuko sawa? Yes. 4, paid trips, expensive paid trips. Like this May, we are heading to Dubai. This May, we are heading where? To Dubai. So maybe you'll be one of them. So. Yes, we are heading to Dubai in May. On October, we are heading to South Africa. December, when we come back, we are going to Philippines, our headquarters, Asia. Tuko sawa? Yes. Last but not the least, make sure that we have almost 10,000 members plus earning 6-figure digits income. Sio kweli? So hapo ulikuwa unakuja kutafuta nini? 20k. Now I'm gonna give you opportunity. We're gonna pay you over 100,000 per month. Tuko sawa? Is good or better? Good or better?
Good.
Good or better? Better. Sawa? Yes. These are our vision. I know. Si tulikuwa wengi. So wengine umeenda. Si nilisema. Yes, because they will not see sense in it. They will not see sense in it. Don't worry. Not everyone sahi tukikuwa na magari sisi zote nani ataiosha? Nani ataiosha? Wala wametoka ndio wataiosha gari yako. Sawa sawa? So don't worry if people are living. Even you remain alone. Sawa sawa? Wakati usiyekuwa boss wako, nani utatuma? Akuwa chef kwako, ni huyo alitoroka opportunity. Sawa sawa? Yes, so don't worry why people are leaving. I don't care, my friend. When people are leaving, are we together? Because when this opportunity was presenting to me also I sat down the way you're sitting down right now. Because how? Yes, I sat down and I listened. By then, I sit down and I make my judgments. Well, if this thing people are saying is true, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Are we together? Yes, I'm gonna do it. So it's their time. Because each and every, not all of us we are poor. We are not poor. All of us we are rich. But the difference is mindset.
Mindset.
Different is
the mindset.
The mindset. Because others says, mimi ni wakati nilikuwa natoka kwetu, mama yangu aliniambia wewe when you get opportunity, just grab it. Sawa sawa, usiangalie ni nini. Usiangalie ni, lakini wengine wanasema mimi nilikujia interview, mimi hiyo kitu friend anapiga kelele. Others will say these people want to corner us. No problem. Sawa sawa. It is poverty it is in mind. Sawa sawa. Yes, poverty is in mind. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you for listening. And I know I want to help some people here. There's one of my mentors from Nigeria is coming on next week, 12. Even if you are a member, if you are not a member, the tickets are going for 2,500 for members, non-members 5,000. But I will not care whether you are a member or not a member. I want you also to see the story of this young guy. The story of that young guy. So, if you're gonna be part and parcel of this offers today, we go together. Nalewana, we go together. Make sure you listen to the story of people. Utakaa chini unasema mimi kwanza tulikuwa tumetoka vizuri sana. Utapata wewe uko better. Sawa sawa. Uko wapi? Uko better.